pursue it as a dream, then it's going to be time consuming and physically demanding.
It's just like any other sport. It's definitely not something you can just do for 2 hours a day and be okay with it.
It's a great art form, but it's strenuous on your body. You're jumping, VAing just on one leg. As soon as we get off stage, we're jumping in ice buckets and we're rolling out our muscles.
Learning an accent is like learning any new physical skill, for example, learning to dance. To become a skilled dancer, you need to put in the time practicing the steps and developing your strengths. Learning a new accent is exactly the same. You need to establish the muscle memory. That's why we have developed a series of steps for you to follow with all the resources provided in order to achieve your goal, to improve your pronunciation in English. The first step is to focus on specific sounds you would like to improve. In our course, you will have 3 weeks to improve your vowels and 3 weeks to improve your consonant sounds. We have developed a special schedule for you called English Vowels and Consonants. As you can see, all English vowels and consonants are distributed among these 6 weeks according to their similarities in pronunciation. The sounds in red are obligatory to learn in this course, but the sounds in green are optional depending on your time availability. Work systematically and give yourself small manageable tasks. It is advisable to plan every day, specifying the amount of time you're ready to devote to this practice and the period of the day. The optimal time for one speech sound is 20 minutes a day. If you have paired sounds, for example, p, b, work on them together. Please use weekly planning table for better self-organization. There, for each day, specify the vowels or consonants you will work on, the time of the day, and the amount of time you're ready to devote to this practice. In this course, you will use Work on Your Accent, Clearer Pronunciation for Better Communication by Helen Ashton and Sarah Shepherd as your resource book. There you will find all the necessary audio resources and information files to fulfill your needs. Practice separate sounds first, then build up to words and sentences. Every time you practice specific sounds, use the words from your text for the final oral presentation. Please use this table that is called Vowels and Consonants, Words from the Final Oral Presentation to organize the words according to the sounds you're working on. Please upload your words to Google Docs every week so I will be able to track your progress. In order to use your Google Docs, you need to go to Instructions, Improving English Vowels and Consonants. In this file, you can find a link to the Google Docs. You copy the link, you go to your browser, you paste it in here, and here it is. Vowels and Consonants, Words from the Final Oral Presentation. In this file, there are 30 pages. You need to choose one page by writing your full name there, and you may start organizing your words from the final oral presentation in there. At the end of the 8th week after your spring term, you will need to record your pronunciation of the words from the final oral presentation and reflect objectively on your progress. Then I will be able to provide you with individual feedback. My main advice is to use a mirror while practicing the sounds. You need to think consciously how your mouth, tongue, and lips are moving. And don't forget to relax. Enjoy communicating. Working on pronunciation is a gradual process that will take time.